Hey, Financial Context family. Welcome back to the Financial Context channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that could be the game changer for your financial journey: side hustle success, powered by Skillshare. If you're new here, Skillshare is your treasure trove for acquiring skills that can shape your success. Before we delve into this exciting discussion, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and check out the link in the description to sign up for Skillshare. Now, let's explore the world of side hustles and uncover how Skillshare can be your key to financial freedom. Side hustle success. Side hustles, the not-so-secret weapon in diversifying your income and accelerating your financial goals. In the dynamic landscape of today's world, having multiple income streams isn't just a strategic move, it's a necessity. That's where Skillshare comes in. Skillshare serves as your mentor, guiding you to turn your passions and skills into profitable side hustles. Whether it's freelancing, launching online businesses, or creating passive income streams, Skillshare's extensive range of courses is your gateway to success. Don't forget to use the link in the description to access Skillshare's wealth of side hustle knowledge. The significance of side hustles. Now, let's delve deeper into why side hustles matter. Side hustles aren't just about earning extra money, they're about unlocking financial freedom and flexibility. Skillshare's courses go beyond the basics, teaching you the art of skill development, time management, and financial acumen. With a side hustle, you're not just diversifying your income, you're investing in yourself and gaining the skills that can propel your career and financial well-being. Recommended skills for side hustles. Let's talk about the skills you need for a thriving side hustle. Skillshare is your comprehensive guide, offering courses covering a spectrum of freelancing skills, from graphic design to writing, social media management, and more. Planning to launch your online business? Skillshare's got you covered with courses on e-commerce, digital marketing, and entrepreneurship. And for those dreaming of passive income, explore courses on investing, creating digital products, and building income streams that work for you, even while you sleep. Skillshare's courses offer more than just step-by-step guides. They're about mastering the skills that set you apart in the ever-evolving world of side hustles. And here's the secret sauce: investing in your knowledge with a Skillshare subscription costs just a few $100s for a year. Consider it a small investment that can lead to significant financial gains through the skills you acquire. Think of it as a wise move towards a wealthier future. Now, go ahead and check out the link in the description to embark on your Skillshare journey. In conclusion, side hustles aren't just a trend, they're a strategy for success. Skillshare is your ally in this journey, offering courses that go beyond the basics, empowering you with the skills needed for a thriving side hustle. The link in the description is your access pass to Skillshare's extensive library of courses. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth content. Until next time, stay financially informed and keep learning.